Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix your YouTube full screen settings on the YouTube application on your mobile. And for this we tap right in the bottom to your profile and then tap right in the top on the wheel. Then go to General, and right here we want to turn on Zoom to Fill Screen. Alright, this means that we zoom in to fill the screen when I tap on the full screen option on a YouTube video. So from now, if I go back, tap on home and we tap on a YouTube video, then after this ad of 5 seconds, we do skip. And right now, if I tap on full screen, you can see that YouTube totally filled the screen with this option. Right now, we can also zoom out. And right now, this is the original size of the video. So when YouTube wants to fill the screen, it will zoom in a little bit, so you can decide the part of the video that you want to see by holding your fingers and zoom in and zoom out. Alright guys, I like this. Now it's on full screen, a little bit zoomed in, but that's fine for now. This is how you can fix or change your YouTube full screen settings. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.